How to schedule direct messages on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Play Store application on your device and search for Instagram just to make sure you have an updated version of the Instagram application. So as you can see, there's no option of update, which means we have the latest version of Instagram application. So you're going to tap on open. So make sure you are logged into your account. Now tap on the DM section at the top right corner of the screen. Select any of the profiles. Now if you want to share the direct messages over here, what you simply need to do is tap on the message box, enter any sort of messages over here. And as you're done with typing a message, tap or make a long press on the send button over here. So just make a long press and here you can get the option of schedule message. Now you can select the date, select the time as well, and then tap on this particular date of send. And here you'll be seeing that you have scheduled one message over here. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.